Maybe as a family, you've noticed over the holiday season or the last few months that your parents' health care has taken a decline. If this is you, I want to let you know that there are mortgage options that your parents can utilize that can ensure that they receive all the funds they need tax-free, whether it be in a lump sum to help with home renovations for their mobility issues, or whether they need 24/7 health care. You can get monthly tax-free payments out of the equity to ensure that they don't have any impact to their investment portfolio, that they don't have any tax implication, but most importantly, get the help that they need. And being a sandwich generation child myself, I know that with the cost of everything, of course, where it is, this doesn't impact your day-to-day finances as well. So if you need funds to help a family member, your parents over 55, and they need home health care or home renovations to be able to assist with their mobility, know that you have options and know that me and my team can help you every single step of the way. Thanks so much and all the best.